Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Hang with T. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe. If you are an oldie but goodie, thanks for joining me again. So, by the title of this video, I am doing an overnight rice water routine. Here you have my rice in this hefty bag. You have my bowl, my mason jar, and I have here fresh bottled water. So the first process of my rice water routine is to definitely make sure I take out at least enough rice so that it can remain for 2 days, and I always usually keep it for 2 days, so I'm just using 2 handfuls of rice. It's based on preference. Some people just use 1 handful, some people use more, so it depends on your preference and your style of the rice water routine. I just prefer to use 2 handfuls of rice, and here I'm just going to add some water to rinse my rice, because just kind of remove some of the starch that's in the rice so I don't have to add that extra starch to my hair. And once I get done rinsing that out, I'm just going to discard that starchy water. And I will then start putting that rice in my mason jar. And I'm going to also add some fresh bottled water to that as well. And what I do is I will, like I said before, I will let this sit for at least 2 days. So this is 2 days later. Let it sit for 2 days and ferment, and then I'm going to transfer it into this mug. Just to discard the rice and for the rice to get into my spray bottle. And then I'm going to get a good old handy dandy funnel and then transfer that fermented rice water into my water bottle, spray bottle. You see a little mess there. Sometimes it always gets messy. So that's my 2-day fermented rice water. So here you will see I already sprayed the water onto my hair. So I'm just massaging it in before I cover my head with the plastic bag. And I'm going to use my handy dandy Walmart shopping bag. Sometimes the regular shower caps is just not cover my hair enough. I have to end up using 2, so that's why I use the Walmart shopping bag. And here you will also see that I am adding my turban to that plastic bag, just to kind of keep the heat in from my head into that scarf overnight, or I should say the turban overnight. So then here is the next day, and I'm rinsing that rice water out. I'm actually going to shampoo my hair and just kind of discard of all that rice water that sat in my hair overnight. And guys, as I stated in my previous video, this is my hair journey year. So I'm doing a lot that I can to try to grow my hair, because my hair went through a really bad stage last year with my stress that I was going through. My hair definitely took a toll on the stress that I was putting on my body, and now I'm just trying to catch back to where it was before. So here I'm adding some of my Tresemme shampoo, massaging it in. I'm going to rinse that out. And I didn't want to add every section or show every section because it kind of gets redundant, so I'm just going to show you guys this part. And then we'll move on to when I start braiding my hair. So here you see my hair freshly washed, and I'm going to start the braiding process. I did actually start twisting my hair, but I didn't like how the twist was coming out, so I just braided it instead. And I leave these braids in for about a week and a half, and then what I'll do usually is just go ahead and unbraid it, which I'll show you guys a video on that as well. and re-braid it or retwist it. So I'm using my main spray. This is restoration. Was it restoration or restoration or restoration? I can't even think of it right now. It's a leave-in spray, but what I did wrong here, as you see how it got slutty when I sprayed it in my hair, is because it's supposed to be only for use for dry hair, and I use it on my wet hair, so it got really sudsy, like I had shampooed my hair. So I'm adding some oil, and that is my homemade aloe vera oil, and I will link the video to how I make that aloe vera oil to this video, so just check in the description box below. And this is my African Pride curling cream. This cream is really good. My hair loves this cream. So I always do the lock method, liquid, which is what I use to spray, oil, my homemade aloe vera oil, and my C cream. So LOC, lock, L for liquid, O for oil, and C for cream. So I always do that method when I twist or braid my hair. It looks like I'm tugging and pulling at my hair, guys, but I am not. I am very, very gentle with my hair. I believe it's just because the video is fast forwarded. It looks like I'm just pulling and tugging at it. But here you will see my 1 month results. As on the left is my a month ago, and on the right was pretty much what my hair looked like before I did the rice water routine. And that was just basically using my aloe vera leave-in treatment and oil, and my hair grew really fast in just a month of using that oil and leave-in treatment. And like I said, I'll link the video below on how to make both the aloe vera oil and the aloe vera hair treatment, leave-in treatment. So as you see here, the twist didn't come out right, so I'm just going to untwist it and just braid it instead. And I just keep the braids in as a protective style under my wig, so I usually just twist or braid it, and I'll usually just pin it and just wear my wigs until I take it out and take the braids out and re-braid it, basically. And I'm watching here HGTV. I think I was watching List It or Keep It or List It. I can't remember the name of the show. So when you see me looking over, I was watching that show. Now I know there's a lot of naturals out there that probably will agree with what I'm about to say, but I hate I hate wash days. It takes forever. It's like an all-day process basically, and that's why I only do it once a month. I only wash my hair every 4 weeks, so it's always the first week of each month I do my wash day, and then in between I'll just do like a deep conditioner treatment, which is usually with my aloe vera oil and my aloe vera leave-in treatment. I usually also add some conditioner to that sometimes, so that is what I use for my deep conditioner, and I'll do a video on that also. You guys will see that. The deep conditioner is not, when I do the deep conditioner, it's usually not that long, but the whole shampoo and condition and all that stuff takes a lot longer. So I'm sure a lot of naturals out there will agree with what I said. Just being a natural is a lot of work to begin with. I can't even begin to tell you in the beginning of my natural journey 6 years ago how many times I wanted to go and get a box of perm. But I'm so glad I never did, and I stuck with it. And you know, my hair was very healthy until just last year, and I know it's going to get back there. So now here you will see after I finish braid my hair. I'm not the best braider, guys, as you can see here, so don't judge me. But I just got finished braiding my hair, and like I said, I will keep this in here for about a week and a half as a protective style, just so I don't have to manipulate my hair too often. And that's the back. yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to hit subscribe. And if you again are new to my channel, welcome. Please support my channel. Please help me support my channel. And if you are an oldie but goodie, again, thanks for stopping by again. Please don't forget to comment, like, and hit subscribe. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye.